Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
Start by choosing 2 ripe avocados that yield about 1 cup of mashed flesh. Ripe avocados give creamy texture and easy mashing. Use 1 tablespoon fresh lime juice and 1 teaspoon kosher salt to brighten flavor and season evenly. Keep 1 avocado pit in the bowl to slow browning while serving. Cover with plastic wrap pressed to the surface. Pressing wrap prevents oxidation and retains vibrant green color. For texture, mash most of the avocado, but leave some small chunks for contrast when served alongside crisp flautas. Fold in 1/4 cup chopped white onion and 1/4 cup cilantro for bright, herbal lift that stands up to fried flautas. Stir in 1 small seeded jalapeno for mild heat, or leave seeds for more if you want spicier contrast. Mix in 1/2 teaspoon ground cumin for warm, earthy notes that complement the corn tortilla and chicken or beef filling. Taste and adjust. Add more lime juice or 1/2 teaspoon sugar if the avocado tastes flat. Keep the guacamole slightly thicker than serve guacamole at room temperature so oils and flavors are perceptible when placed on hot, crispy flautas. Remove from fridge 20 minutes before serving. Serve guacamole as a dollop on 3 to 4 flautas or as a side for 8 flautas, adjusting portion size to appetite. Store in refrigerator up to 48 hours with plastic wrap pressed to the surface and an additional airtight lid to minimize air contact. If browning appears, scrape off the top 1/4 inch and use the vibrant green underneath for best presentation.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.